Speaker of the National Assembly, Moses Wetangula, was honored on Wednesday afternoon when Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja paid him a courtesy call at his office in Parliament buildings. Speaker Wetangula noted that the discussion provided an opportunity to share experiences and best practices for effective collaboration between national and county institutions. Governor Johnson Sakaja described the meeting as productive, emphasizing the importance of continuous engagement between the legislative and executive arms of government. He highlighted the role of coordinated efforts in ensuring policies and programs reach citizens efficiently and transparently. This courtesy call allowed us to exchange ideas on strengthening governance and service delivery, said Speaker Wetangula. It is essential that Parliament, county government collaborate closely to ensure the public derives maximum benefit from government initiatives. They encouraged further dialogue between Parliament and county government as a way to enhance public service delivery and promote good governance across Kenya. Sakaja's visit comes days after National Assembly Speaker Wetangula dismissed online rumors claiming he had died, ensuring Kenyan but he is alive, healthy and fully engaged in his official duties. On January 19, 2026, Wetangula posted a short video on a social media to address the claims directly. Still alive, still kicking, still on duty, handling parliamentary duties in Naivasha, he stated in clip. Thank you for watching City Media. Please subscribe, share, comment for more news.